Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Product Review Top 5. Introduction. Welding machines are indispensable tools in various industries, serving as the backbone of metal fabrication processes. These powerful devices fuse metals together through the application of heat, creating strong and durable bonds essential for construction, manufacturing, automotive, and countless other applications. From small-scale projects to large-scale industrial operations, welding machines come in a diverse range of types and capabilities, each designed to meet specific needs and requirements. Whether it's MIG, TIG, stick, or flux core welding, the right machine can make all the difference in achieving precise, high-quality welds efficiently and reliably. In this article, we'll explore some of the top welding machines on the market, highlighting their features, performance, and versatility to aid professionals and hobbyists alike in choosing the ideal tool for their welding needs. Number 5. HITBOX ARC200D Mini Welding Machine. The HITBOX ARC200D Mini Welding Machine is a compact and efficient tool for welding enthusiasts and professionals alike. Boasting a sleek design and impressive specifications, this welding machine offers convenience and reliability in one package. One of the standout features of the ARC200D Mini is its compact size, measuring at just 241,013 centimeters. This makes it highly portable and easy to transport to various work sites, or even for home use where space might be limited. Despite its small size, it packs a punch with its robust performance. With an input voltage of AC 220V plus or minus 10% and input power of 6.2 kVA, this welding machine offers consistent power delivery, ensuring stable and reliable performance throughout your welding tasks. The wide output current adjustment range of 20A125A provides versatility, allowing users to tackle a variety of welding projects with ease. Number 4. HZXVOGEN MIG185-2 Welding Machine. A review of the HZXVOGEN MIG185-2 welding machine. As an avid enthusiast and occasional semi-professional welder, I've had the opportunity to put the HZXVOGEN MIG185-2 through its paces, and I must say, I'm thoroughly impressed. This welding machine is a true workhorse, offering exceptional performance and versatility for a wide range of welding tasks. First and foremost, let's talk about power. With a welder input current ranging from 10 to 160 A, this machine packs a punch, allowing for precise control over the welding arc. Whether I'm working on thin sheet metal or thicker structural components, the MIG185-2 handles it with ease. The adjustable current and voltage ranges provide the flexibility needed to tackle various welding projects with confidence. One of the standout features of this welding machine is its compatibility with different welding wire diameters ranging from 0.6 to 1.0 millimeters. This versatility allows me to tailor the welding process to suit the specific requirements of each job, ensuring clean, professional results every time. Additionally, the inclusion of a welding rod diameter range of 2.5 to 3.2 millimeters further enhances its adaptability, making it suitable for a wide range of welding applications. Number 3. ANDELI TIG 250G Pro Welding Machine. The ANDELI TIG 250G Pro Welding Machine is a versatile and efficient tool for both professional welders and hobbyists alike. Boasting a range of features designed to enhance welding performance and user experience, this machine stands out in the market. One of the standout features of the TIG 250G Pro is its dual functionality, offering both TIG and MMA stick welding capabilities. This versatility allows users to tackle a wide range of welding tasks, from intricate TIG welding projects to heavy-duty MMA welding jobs, all with the same machine. Additionally, the clean and cold welding functions provide added flexibility, ensuring optimal results across various welding applications. With a rated input voltage of 220V plus or minus 10% and a frequency of 50-60 Hz, this machine delivers consistent power, allowing for precise and stable welding performance. The wide welding current range of 10 to 160 A further enhances its versatility, accommodating different materials and thicknesses with ease. Number 2. HZXVOGEN HBM2280 Welding Machine. The HZXVOGEN HBM2280 welding machine is a versatile tool equipped with advanced IGBT inverter technology, ensuring efficient and reliable performance across various welding processes. With its impressive specifications and features, this welding machine stands out in the market. First and foremost, the HBM2280 boasts a robust construction and design, making it suitable for both professional professional welders and hobbyists. The use of IGBT technology enhances its performance by providing stable welding currents and voltages, resulting in precise and consistent welds. One of the notable features of the HBM2280 is its flexibility in handling different welding tasks. With adjustable welding current and voltage ranges of 10 to 200A and 10 to 26V respectively, users have the freedom to tailor the machine's settings according to their specific welding requirements. Whether it's MIG-TIG or MMA welding, this machine offers versatility without compromising on quality. Number 1. HITBOX MIG-200 PRO Welding Machine. The HITBOX MIG-200 PRO welding machine is a versatile and powerful tool designed to meet the needs of both professional welders and hobbyists alike. With its advanced inverter technology utilizing IGBT components, this welding machine delivers reliable performance across various welding processes, including MIG-TIG and MMA. One of the standout features of the MIG-200 PRO is its flexibility in power input, accommodating different welding tasks with ease. Whether you're working on thin materials or heavy-duty projects, the wide welding current adjust range from 10 to 200 amps ensures precise control over the welding process. Similarly, the adjustable welding voltage range of 10 to 26 volts allows for fine-tuning to achieve optimal results. The machine boasts impressive efficiency, with a power factor exceeding 0.70 and an efficiency rating of at least 80%. This ensures not only energy savings, but also consistent and stable performance during prolonged welding sessions. Additionally, the robust duty cycle specifications provide assurance of reliability even under demanding conditions, with the ability to sustain high currents for extended periods. Thanks for watching this video.